Good day. I just got back from the store and I finally got some shrubs. This is the view from the road of the kidney shaped garden. So I got my true blue spruce globe in this corner. I've got a 9 bark over here, cypress, and 2 grasses. And I think like one of the grasses is blue and the other one is green with red tinges to it. So I might bring this one, but I don't want to make it like, I want to make it so it's mostly the shrubs are together and then the outskirts is perennials. And so this guy's going to be like 6 feet around and this guy is going to be like 4 feet. And this guy gets like, oh God, like really big. So he's gonna come all the way down here. It was like 2.5 meters. So whatever that is in feet, which is really big. So he'll spread out, but then he'll spread out back too. So I might just move him. I don't know, I think he's in the right spot. And then the grasses just grow tall. They might spread it a little bit. Yeah, so I think that's what I'll plant today. It's just really hot, so I might just wait until the afternoon. I don't know. It's in half shade right now, so I think I should start. Oh yeah, there's a big gap here. But remember that this 9 bark goes all the way to this marking. And then it's like I could add another shrub here. I just don't know if I want to keep it for perennials as you walk up the driveway. Or I can add, I was thinking of a spirea, like candy corn spirea right here, but I don't know. It all depends on how big this gets because it's supposed to get up to here. Isn't that wild? 6 feet across. And so I would have to put the spirea like here, but it's a tiny spirea, the candy corn one that I'm thinking about. I just can't find it right now. I couldn't find it at the store. So yeah, I've got my blue, my red, my yellow, blue, a little bit of red. I'll go closer so you can see it. Sorry, my road is so busy. Isn't that pretty? And then this one. Oh, this one, the tag is, there's no tag. So it's called Heavy Metal. It's the same one I have in the backyard. And then this one is Fire Satin. Okay, I have the tag over there. It says it's resistant to mildew, but I definitely found a little bit of mildew at the bottom, but nowhere near as bad as the other 9 barks I've seen. And okay, I'm gonna go to the tags because they're not all written on here. I have no idea what I'm gonna do here. I took out some of the heucheras because they were all frying, and they're still frying, like there's still more frying, and I put them all in here. Anyways, okay, so the false cypress is gold charm. The glow blue spruce, I did not pay that much, guys. I don't know what happened, but when she rung it up, it was $35, and I didn't say boo, so I actually paid $35 for the blue spruce. Okay, yeah, Fireside 9 bark, but what's it called? It's just called Fireside. Okay, so yeah. And it says that the height is, you could go up to 7 feet tall and 6 feet wide. So that's a lot. Oh, and that switchgrass that I didn't know it was called, the one with the red. There you go, Panic Reed. Shenandoah. So, oh gosh, I forgot to check the hardiness on this. Minus 34 Celsius. Yeah, that should survive. We get pretty cold here sometimes. Now I just have to plant them. All right, so there we have it. It's the next day. And I'll be watering it really well in this heat wave. Remember that, I'm gonna zoom out. It looks very sparse And the video actually makes these parts look a lot bigger than they are, because I'm in like a different, I don't know, aperture or something. Anyway, you have to remember that these are all about 6 feet. So, you know, this is going to get like this big. It's almost everything's gonna touch whenever it's fully grown. So I think they're in a good spot. But it's gonna be like 3 years until they're fully grown, these 3 shrubs here, so it's gonna take a minute. But yeah, this is from my doorstep. I'm still a little unsure what I'm doing in this section here and around the bobo hydrangeas. I know I have the heucheras still there because these are the ones that are more in shade, but I don't know if it seems like they're formally placed, because before they were, right? And now with this pattern, I feel like they should not be formally placed. Like, I'll still keep these 4 in their locations to like line up this walkway path, but then I don't know what kind of ground cover is going to be between them. I don't like mulching, so I know I did the mulch the first time because I was still like unsure how much the heucheras would spread, but they don't spread here. Like, they can't even hardly get big because of the sun in the afternoon. So these hostas get ginormous, so they're going to cover this entire spot and overlap with each other. They may even get too big for the space, so I have to keep that in mind. This is a heavily shaded spot except for like maybe 1 hour of sun, so that should be fine. And then I did put in some snow and summer ground cover here, almost like it's a pathway, and I was hoping to extend it like through here and like weaving like a path so I can walk on it. You can definitely walk on snow and summer, or phlox. If I had creeping phlox here instead, or here instead rather, then I can just walk on it and do my, you know, weeding and things like that. So yeah, I think it's mostly just going to be like sedums and nepeta and things that are drought tolerant, so I don't have to water this area too much in drought season. And we'll see.